Hi, I'm Barb Sherer, the principal at Sherer Law Offices with locations in Edwardsville, Belleville, and Monroe County, Illinois. And I'm sitting here with one of my favorite people, Judy Cates, who is now running for the Illinois Supreme Court. I've known Judy, well, probably for longer than either of us would be comfortable sharing, because frankly, I was her law clerk. She was my first paying job when I was in law school. I've kept up with her over the years. I practiced in front of her, argued in front of her at the Illinois Appellate Court level, and I cannot imagine anybody better suited and more qualified to be filling a vacancy on the Illinois Supreme Court and to be our next Illinois Supreme Court Justice. So I'd like to kind of turn this over to Judy and just ask you, I mean, I know that you know that you're qualified for the job, but for those of our audience who don't know you, why are you more qualified for this job than the other people who are running?
Barb, I'm the only one in this Supreme Court race who has actually practiced law and represented people. As you explained, I had a litigation practice before I got onto the appellate court. And I truly believe that the people of Southern Illinois need a Supreme Court justice who has the integrity and the experience to make a difference for them. The Supreme Court right now, our U.S. Supreme Court, is viewed as a political machine, and I think that's sad.
It is sad.
I really do think that we need to get the people, especially in Southern Illinois, to believe that they can come into a court as you represent them and that they'll get a fair and honest hearing. And I will give them that. I've always given them that. I think my record in the appellate court for the last 7 years gives them that.
Yes.
And so I want to go to the Supreme Court and make a big difference for them.
Well, and I appreciate that. And I will say, in the times I've appeared in front of you, sometimes you've been painfully honest with me. And you know what? I appreciate that. I appreciate your honesty, and I cannot think again of anybody who I would be more supportive of to fill our next Illinois Supreme Court Justice vacancy than Judy Cates. Thank you.
Thank you so much.